The following segment is sponsored by Bicknell Family Center for the Arts.
Certainly no strangers to the stage. The Bicknell Family Center for the Arts is sharing the stage with all the other four states' finest winners as Best Entertainment Venue. And here with me to accept that award is the director, Joe Furman. Congratulations, Joe.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor to be the winner this year.
Well, rightfully so, and very much deserved. You guys have a great reputation, especially for still being relatively new to our area. Talk real quickly, if you can, about what this place means to the community and what they can expect to find when they come here.
Well, the facility is a state-of-the-art theater complex with a small theater and a large theater, and we like to bring in all sorts of different art and entertainment events. And coming up, we have some really exciting ones as well. We have the Rodney Marsalis Philadelphia Big Brass, which will be here on April 24th at 7 p.m. And to celebrate the end of the school year, we're going to be having the 25th anniversary celebration of the Retro Cocktail Hour. So Daryl Brogdon has been on Kansas Public Radio for the last 25 years, and his show is featured on KRPS, the four states public radio, and they're coming to hold a concert with the Witiki 7, who are coming from Hawaii, which should be an absolutely wonderful event.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of fun, and in addition to those big-time events, there's a lot of also campus activities here that the university does quite often as well.
Absolutely, and we would like to invite everyone to check out our website, www.bicknellcenter.com, and you can find the listing of all of our upcoming events there. And if you're purchasing tickets, you can do that online there by clicking to purchase, or you can go to the box office here on campus if you want to purchase in person.
Fantastic. Joe, congratulations once again. That's the Bicknell Family Center for the Arts, winner of Finest Entertainment Venue in the four-state area. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you very much.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Bicknell Family Center for the Arts.